Hello friends, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create simple 3D logo intro without any third-party plugin. If you guys like this tutorial, please consider subscribing. It's mean a lot to me. So, let's see what we are going to create today. First, create a composition, name it 3D Logo Reveal. Make it 1920 by 1080 pixels, and 25 frames. Then, import your logo, and drop it to the timeline. Now pre-compose the logo, and name it Logo. Then make the logo comp 3D. If you can't find it, press F4. Now, create a solid, make the size same as comp, name it BG. The color does not matter. Now, drop the BG under the logo comp, and search for gradient ramp effect, and drop it to the BG solid. Now, do the same as me on the effect panel. Or you can do it as your taste. Now, search for the exposure effect, and drop it to the logo comp. Now, in the effect panel, make the exposure -1. Then, we need to write a simple expression on the position of logo comp. Just open the position properties of the logo comp, and click on it. Then, write the expression. Now, make 31 duplicate of logo comp by hitting Ctrl+D. After that, delete the exposure effect on the top logo comp. Now, go to bottom logo comp, and drop the drop shadow effect on it. And, adjust the effect parameter as your choice. Now, go to Layer, New, Camera, 50mm is fine. Then, press P on the camera layer, for the position properties. And, drag the time indicator, at 4 seconds. Then, click the stopwatch key of camera position. Now, again, drag the indicator at first frame of the timeline. And edit the XYZ position parameter same as me. Then, select all keyframes, and hit F9 to easy ease them. Also, click on the graph editor, and drag the handle like me. Now, you can quickly ramp preview it. I think it's fine. Now, search for CC Light Sweep Effect on the Effect panel. And drop it to the first logo comp. Now, in the Effect panel, do the same as me. Then, select first logo comp, and hit U for bring keyframe properties. Select both keyframes, and hit F9 to easy ease them. And, make the graph same as me. Now, in Effect panel, make the width 70, sweep intensity 75, edge intensity 80. Then, you can quickly ramp preview on it. I think I need to adjust the drop shadow. Now, go into the logo comp. And drag the time indicator at 1 second, then, bring the scale properties, by hitting S on keyboard, and click the stopwatch key. Now, drag the indicator at first frame, and, down the scale properties at 0. Then, select both keyframes, and hit F9, and make the graph same as me. Now, I drop another logo, and copy the scale properties of the first logo. And paste it on the second logo. And the animation still follow you. Just need to change the BG color. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more After Effects tutorial. Goodbye, and see you in the next tutorial.